for the night. We are in Visayas, by the way, already. We landed, we docked yesterday night, and we stayed for the night here, La Brisa del Mar. I talked about that on my last vlog. Do go check that out. I'm gonna link it up there or here below at the description box. But now we are going down north, going down south at Catbalogan City, and we are going to cross San Juanico Bridge. So see you on the road. San Juanico Bridge, our endpoint for this day. No, our endpoint is Tacloban City. So we have a stopover at Catbalogan City, and I'm gonna do a review about that later. But for today, we just crossed San Juanico Bridge. We are kind of disappointed because there's no stopover place that we can park and take pictures. That's it. So right now at the end, the Leyte part, meron namang place to park. So we just park, take pictures, pero end lang yung nakikita. So right now we are droning. And I'm gonna show you the drone shot in 3, 2, 1. hotel, which is the name is Visayas Residences. We're going to unpack now.
Po eh.
Room 107. Wow, we have a kitchen. Wait lang. Lagyan natin yung card. And then... Okay, yeah. We have a ref. We have a kitchen area. There's a sofa. This is nice. So pretty. So we have a kitchen area. Lots of cupboards. We're gonna look at that later. We have a bathroom. Oh my goodness. I can take a bath now. Oh, hot and cold. Clean bathroom. Is there a bidet? There's a bidet. What? My TV, and then meron closet. So parang siyang studio type ng condo.
For only 2,257.
Oh yeah, 2,257, pero original price is 2,400.
Yeah, because of the senior.
Yeah, so we have the queen bed, we have single bed, and then we have a couch over here. This is mine. Oh my god. Oh, thank you, friend. Hey, friend. Okay, so the name of the hotel is Zipad Residence. It's in front of Metro, which we love because it's right in front of a grocery store where we can have a pimple over here, where we can buy groceries and stuff and food. So our room has one single bed, queen size. I know a while ago I was so excited. Last 2 nights, like, we're looking for cheap hotels, especially when we were in Samar, when we landed at Allen. So it was very hard to look for a hotel because parang very remote and konti lang yung mga pwedeng tuluyan. And then there's all of them, there's no Wi-Fi. Walang signal, like data, and cellphone signal is very hard to find. So this is real luxury for us right now. So look at the bathroom again. So meron silang free soap, all the basic necessities of a hotel. Meron silang sabitan. Oh no, hindi magko-complain na si Tito Elmer. Meron silang sabitan dyan. Tapos meron silang shampoo, shower gel. Tapos, here's the kitchen part. We love this part because we really need the kitchen when we are traveling. That's why baon namin ang mga percolator, refrigerator, rice cooker. Tingnan natin kung may laman yung mga drawers nila. Ala! So wala silang plates. Let's look here. None. And none. So yun. This sofa bed, by the way, is convertible to a bed. I haven't unpacked yet. We are going to the metro in a few minutes, but I want to show to you because we had a stop over to the nested room and I want to show to you a new breed of banana, pink banana. So it's pink. Sabi ni Papa, it's banana of unggoy daw. It's my first time to see a pink banana. And it's still a banana. Pero mas masarap yung ano bang pangalan ng banana ng Tagaytay?
Senyorita.
Yun, mas masarap pa rin yung banana, senyorita ng banana.
Senyorita banana ng monkey yan.
Bakit banana ng monkey?
Sabi ka ng bata kami.
So, sabi daw sa kanila ng bata is banana ng monkey. Bakit siya pink kasi?
Yun ang gustong-gusto ng mga monkey.
So that's our hotel, Zipad Residences, and in front of it is Metro, and we are going to buy some food and basic necessities. We are so happy right now because maganda yung bathroom. Actually, that's the most important part. Maganda yung bathroom. Ito.
Kaya ba natin buhatin yun?
Hindi, ito transfer naman natin ito. It's freshly baked Korean cake. I think I'm gonna buy one. Mainit pa ba?
Medyo ma'am.
Hindi na siya pwede painit.
Andito po.
Ha?
Andito po. Mainit-init pa.
Ah, sige yung mainit. Yay! Wow! I got the custard. Alright. Hi, so I just finished taking a bath. I finally washed my hair because the bathroom has a great shower. We are staying at Zipad Residences here in Tacloban City. We just crossed the San Juanico Bridge this afternoon and we are staying right now here at Zipad Residences. It is a sister company of the Hotel XYZ, but this one, the Zipad Residences, is in front of Metro Supermarket, so it has a great place and it's just right across the street and you can buy your fruits and all your basic necessities. So this is a great find for us. This room, which has one queen bed and one single bed and a sofa bed, which is this one, is originally 2,400 something ish, but we have a senior citizen discount, so we just got it for 2 something ish. I'm sorry, I forgot. And yes, this hotel is a luxury for us. We have been staying for the past 2 nights on hotels, or I mean in inns or resorts that kind of not so clean, so we are very much relaxed right now. So tomorrow we are going to cross again and we are going to maybe Roro, or if there's a fast cat, but we are going to cross the sea again and we will be in Mindanao tomorrow afternoon maybe-ish. But tomorrow we will be visiting 3 tourist spots around here in Tacloban before heading down south, which will take around 3 hours. Yeah, 3 hours to San Ricardo here. So this Zipad Residences has, as you can see kanina, this is a room tour which I am very much excited. They have a refrigerator and a percolator and they have a mini kitchen and also meron silang room service. Yeah, we're just going to stay here for the night because our end destination is Mindanao to meet with the other half of the group that is going to Mindanao. Yeah, I think that's it for today. I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe and comment below what you think about this video, or if you have been here in Tacloban City, or if you have checked in here at Zipad Residences, because we totally love this. It's like a condominium unit that they let people rent, and it's like home away from home. So that's it. See you tomorrow.